Alright, here at Miss Key's property, now that we're at a safer altitude and my coworker can record, we're going to be replacing this wind damaged shingle here. It's one of the many wind damaged shingles on this roof, but we're just going to replace it real quick and show you what happens when we attempt to repair a 15 plus year old roof. So we'll break the seals. If anything, I'm on the edge. That's the fun part. Start by breaking the seals of the ones that aren't damaged. Of course, being careful not to bend the shingles past 45 degrees, but it is just an old roof in general. So we've got some over-driven nails right here. Being really careful to get this nail out. I'm trying not to damage it. Okay, I got it. The shingle did rip where the nail was pulled, but I did successfully get the nail. Alright, so can I see the camera real quick? For instance, we have this nail here that's driven right in the crack. So when I attempt to pull this with my snake tool, as you can see, not bending up on the shingle, properly using it, the shingle has ripped. My apologies. Ripped right where the nail line is, right there. I'll continue.
Same thing with that one.
Yeah, it's ripping here on this one as well. Doing my best not to damage the shingle. That one came out clean. So our shingle's free. This was the main. So it tore here when pulling the nails. Here we have mat transfer. Oh, sorry, I'll just take the camera that way they can see. Right here over the tar line, there's mat transfer. So that's where part of the shingles kept behind and ripped up. But there's that shingle. And we'll switch in the new one. 1 second. Alright, we're gonna start nailing on this thing, and we're expecting granulars to kind of just go everywhere. So as you can see, during the repair, there is increased creasing on the shingles. They are never going to seal down back properly where the mat transfer is or where they're creasing. Any repair on this roof is going to look exactly like this one. The left slope is the worst. This is the front slope. So yeah, any of this is going to be just a non-repairable old shingle. We can also send it off and see if it is still in continuation, but nothing on the trigger on the back, so we'll be able to pretty easily see if this thing is still manufactured. But alright, thank you for your time.